Hi, I'm Wing, founder of Sourceful. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to run a world-class packaging test with the Sourceful Judge. You'll see 3 modes to choose from. Individual, perfect for a single variant. Improvement, run a side-by-side test of your before versus after design. Or multi, compare up to 10 designs, including your competitors. Let's use multi-mode as an example. First, upload up to 10 images in any order. Second, give each one a friendly label. Finally, tell the judge about your target market. You can type directly or click the AI button and let it read the images and pre-fill the brief. Tweak as needed. This is the key stuff, so take your time. Hit submit, grab a coffee. In roughly 90 seconds, the judge is ready. Before you see the results, we'll ask for your own pick. Do you think the judge will agree? The moment you vote, the leaderboard appears. Gold, silver, bronze. An overall score from 0 to 100. A letter grade from E to A+. And you get a useful breakdown by 5 key factors. Need to share? You get a secure link your whole team can open, no limits. But that's not all. We help you take your design to the next level. Click Improve Design to scroll down to the judge's recommendations. Click Visualize to get 2 options. First, our AI packaging designer takes a full design brief from you and generates fresh branded concepts in minutes. 2, get an expert art worker to apply the recommendations to your original file and deliver revised concepts in 48 hours. That's it. Upload, judge, improve as many times as you like. Thanks for using Sourceful.